Hey lighting fanatics, today I'm going to show you this GE LED long life low energy. Yeah, I don't know about the long life part. 7-watt LED R20 bulb. I picked this bulb up from Winn-Dixie about a year ago. It was the last one of its kind on the shelf, and it's obviously new old stock because it has the older GE LED packaging that GE stopped using in, I believe, 2019, I think. I'm not quite sure. But I picked this up at the time for a fixture that I had in my room. It was like a wall-mounted flood light fixture, and I wanted to see what an R20 bulb would be like in that fixture. So I decided to pick this up to put in it, and it was in that fixture for a few months before I switched to CFL, and then I just removed the fixture entirely about 6 months ago. But anyway, we'll go ahead and take a look at the packaging here. LED, of course, soft white, aka warm white. I don't really like calling it soft white because that is terminology for a coating used on incandescent bulbs, not a color temperature. So I don't understand where soft white came from and why all these companies like using it to describe warm white color temperatures. But anyway, it's a 50-watt replacement using only 7 watts. Indoor floodlight is dimmable, and we'll try that later and see how well it dims. Probably not as good as incandescent, but we'll see. It is 525 lumens, which would be in the range for a 50-watt bulb. One bulb. And then all this crazy information. A lot of it's probably not even true, like 13 years. Yeah, I don't know if it would last 13 years. These LED bulbs seem to fail prematurely quite often. Here's the back, of course, all this crazy caution information. It is manufactured for GE Lighting, not Savant Technologies. So this was obviously before Savant took over GE. Some more crazy information. Here we go. Here's the lighting facts. If you want to read that, see what listed. Here's the top. 5-year warranty. It's nice. And the barcode on the bottom. Well, anyway, we'll go ahead and open up this package and take out the bulb. And here it is. It is an LED bulb. On the top, we have a frosted plastic, which is where the LEDs shine out. Of course, being a reflector bulb, so it's gotta shine the light just down in one direction. And the bulb itself is made out of a very nice white plastic. And on the bottom is our base, which is not brass, and it has a plastic insulator, and it is a solderless contact there on the bottom. Well, anyway, we'll take a look at our etch here. It says GE LED, 525 lumens, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 70 watts. Not 70 watts, 7 watts, 2700K. Then here is the back side with more etch on it. And we just got crazy caution information. You are listed, blah, blah, blah. Well, anyway, we'll go ahead and screw this bulb in to our socket here, and I do have the dimmer here because we are going to try dimming this bulb as I stated earlier, and I'll just show beforehand this is an LED compatible dimmer if it'll focus on it. Well, anyway, I'll be right back after turning the lights off, and we'll give this bulb a whirl. Alright, I am back, and it's time to turn this bulb on in 3, 2, oh, well, the socket was already on. Oh, now you can see it lit up there. You can see the pattern of LEDs. There's 2 on the top, 2 on each side, and 2 on the bottom, forming like a square shape. And we also do get a little bit of flicker band on the camera, a little bit of flicker banding there. So this is obviously not a flicker-free bulb. You can kind of see how well it lights up there. But we'll actually come up here where we have more to look at. Now you can really see how bright it is. It's pretty bright. It's like a focused light. I'd say a little bit more focused than an incandescent bulb would be, because LEDs are more directional. It's not a bad color. It's definitely not incandescent quality light, but it's not that bad. I mean, at least not in my opinion. But you can see how bright it is there. I'd say this is like a 50-watt replacement, definitely. Well, we'll come over here where we have some color here, and we'll take a look at our CRI. It's not bad. Definitely like 80 or so, where most LED bulbs are. It's not bad, it's not great, not like incandescent CRI, but it's pretty good. And then I can also move the camera over here, where we have even more stuff to look at. And there you go. Well, anyway, now we will try dimming this bulb. So I'll actually go ahead and dim it all the way down. Ooh, this dims really well. Oh my gosh, that's almost as dim as an incandescent would be. It's putting off no light. I'm surprised. This is a pretty good LED in terms of dimming. You can really see the diodes in there. That's really good. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. Well, we'll bring it up to about 50%. That's very nice. Of course, it doesn't change in color temperature as it dims like an incandescent bulb would, but it is very nice and dim. This would be very nice for relaxing at night. Dim the lights, turn on a show on TV, and it's pretty nice. I am surprised by how well this dims. This is really good. I'll show you there just how well it dims. It goes all the way down. That's incredible. Wow. I am surprised. That is really, really good. Look at that. You can get all the way down there to where it's producing like no light. That's incredible. It'd be an understatement to say that I'm surprised, especially considering that TCP one I showed a while ago didn't really dim all that well. Well, anyway, we will come back down here and turn off this bulb. We get a fade out there. We'll turn it on one more time, of course, just instant on. Well, anyway, I'll be right back after I turn the lights back on. Alright, I am back, and we will go ahead and unscrew this bulb from our socket and take one last look at it. There's the top, the etch, if you want to see that again, the base, and the packaging. So we will put that right there with the bulb right beside it. Well, there you have it, the GE LED 7-watt R20 bulb with apparently really good dimming. Well, if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below and feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to see more cool lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.